In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a Pocket FM VIP membership. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Pocket FM on your mobile device, or if you're using the web version like I do, I want you to log in using your credentials. Now, look for an option related to subscription, manage subscription, or any available membership offer. Pocket FM may show different options depending on your account type and the version of the app, whether you're using the mobile device or the web version. The available plans, benefits, and prices can vary, so you need to review the offer displayed on your screen before continuing. Now, if a subscription offer is available, select the plan that best fits your needs. Before purchasing, take a moment to check the details, including the subscription price, the billing period, the benefits, whether the plan renews automatically, or any free trial or promotional offer available. Some plans may include a trial period, although eligibility and availability can vary. After choosing your preferred plan, tap the option to continue with the purchase. You can use Buy with Apple Pay, or if you're using a debit or credit card, just follow the instructions on your screen to confirm the payment. Once the transaction is successfully processed, your selected subscription should become active. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to get a Pocket FM VIP membership. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.